Hello my dear students, how are you? So today we will take divide whole numbers by unit fractions. Topic number 17, lesson 9. The objective of our lesson today is I can divide a whole number by a unit fraction. Let's take the first example. One ball of dough can be stretched into a circle to make a pizza. After the pizza is cooked, it is cut into 8 equal slices. How many slices of pizza can you make with 3 balls of dough? So here I have one ball of dough, and what if I have 3? Okay, now the one dough I can cut it into 8 equal slices. How about if I have 3 equal balls, and each one I divided it into 8 equal parts. Look here. This is pizza number 1. I have 8 parts. Pizza number 2, 8 parts, but 8 and 8 equals 16. The third one also I divided it into 8 equal parts, so 8 and 8, 16, and 8, 24. So you can make 24 slices, or you can think about it as a multiplication. Since I have 3 pizzas, I can say that 3 times each one is divided into 8 equal parts. So 3 times 8 equals 24 slices. Into how many slices of pizza will each ball of dough be divided? Each ball of dough will be divided into 8 equal parts or 8 slices. What fraction of a whole pizza does one slice represent? 1 of a whole, so 1 over 8, because the whole is 8 for one whole, okay? Not the 3 pizzas, only one whole. Joyce is making sushi rolls. She needs 1/4 cup of rice for each sushi roll. How many sushi rolls can she make if she has 3 cups of rice? Now look here, 1/4 is a unit fraction because here I have one part of a whole. A unit fraction is a fraction that describes one part of the whole, so it has a numerator of 1. Now here, they said that if I have here 3 cups of rice, okay, and she needs 1/4 cup of rice for each sushi roll. Each sushi roll will need 1/4 of the cup, okay, 1/4 of each cup, okay, for one roll. Not from each one, 1/4 only from the first cup, 1/4 from the first cup until all of them are done. Each 1/4 can make one sushi. So in this case, I will divide 3 divided by 1/4. Okay, now here I can cut them, okay, into 4 equal parts, because 1/4 I here have in the denominator 4, so that means that each cup of rice I can cut it into 4 equal parts. So 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. In this case, you can count how many fourths you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or 4 and 4, 8 and 4, 12. So he can make 12 sushi rolls, or we can solve it in another way. You can use a number line to find how many 1/4 are in 3. So you will cut, or first you will draw a number line from 1 to 3, because I have 3 cups of rice, and from between each holes I will divide the number line into 4 equal parts. Then I will count how many times I will jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in this case, I can know that 3 divided by 1/4 equals 12. There's another way, I will show it to you like this. Use the diagram below to find 4 divided by 1/3. Now you can use the diagram, just count how many rectangles you have, or how many parts you have, like here 3 and 3, 6 and 3, 9 and 3, 12. Okay, so the answer is 12. Or you can say that 4 times I will convert the division into multiplication, because I'm multiplying a fraction. Only if I'm multiplying by only if I'm dividing by a fraction. If I'm dividing by a fraction, I can make the division into multiplication and switch the order of the numerator and the denominator with each other's. So here I have 1 over 3, so it's going to be 3 over 1. And then you will multiply 4 times 3 equals 12. 1 times 1 equals 1, so the answer is 12. Again, look here. In the example at the top of page 900, if Joyce had 4 cups of rice, not 3, 4, how many rolls could she make? Okay, so 4 divided by 1/4. As I told you, I can make it multiplication, okay? Since I'm dividing by a fraction, I will convert it into multiplication and switch the numerator with the denominator, 4 over 1, but no need to write 1, right? So it is 4 times 4, and the answer is 16 rolls. In the example at the top of page 900, how does the number line help you show that 3 divided by 1/4 is equal to 3 times 4? It is, right? Because the answer was 12. The answer of 3 divided by 1/4 was 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now, don't forget, I told you that we can convert, since I'm dividing by a fraction, we can convert it into multiplication and switch the numerator with the denominator. So it's going to be 3 times 4. But how the number line shows that? Look, the number line shows that 3 wholes divided into fourths is the same as 3 groups of fourths. To find 3 groups of 4, you find 3 times 4. So here in the number line, I jumped. Do you remember when we took last year when we were in grade 3? If I want to multiply 3 times 4, so I will have 3 big jumps, and inside each one I will repeat 4 times because it's a repeated addition, and I'm repeating 3 times the repeated addition. So this is the same. So 3 times 4 was like 3 divided by 1/4. Okay, now let's see question number 3. How many 1/3 are in 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or, as I told you, 2 times, make it multiplication, put 3 up. 2 times 3 equals 6. How many 1/3 are in 3? You can count 3 and 3, 6 and 3, 9, or you can convert it into multiplication. 3 times 3 over 1. It's because I'm going to switch. So it is 3 over 1, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So this was our lesson for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please solve the independent practice and send it to me. Goodbye.